Hey, what's going on, guys? My name's John Erickson. I live in Los Angeles, California. Excellent baseball player. Grew up playing ball and played at Division I Ivy League, Brown University. I'm a pitcher, also a third baseman, so I can be on the mound throwing balls, or I can be on the left side of the field making plays, throwing at first base. I'm also an excellent hitter. Just a note, my hair can be cut. So if you like the way it is now or with a hat on, we can go as is. Or in one of the videos I took recently, it's short, you can see what it looks like there. I'm doing some simulated pitching. The other video, I play softball these days. You'll see me warming up. On the video on the left-hand side, you'll see me in the outfield making a play. You'll see me batting as well. Looks like a great project. Love to work with you. Thanks so much. And I'd say probably the best or most memorable play that I've ever made was when I was playing third base, and I actually made 3 outs in one play. I was playing close to the bag. The runner on third base had a big lead. The runner on second base had a big lead. And the batter hit a line drive right into my glove. I stepped on third base, quickly threw over to second base. The batter, the guy on third base, the guy on second base, all out in one play.